What we have here is a part of the Simple Rockets 2 simulator or game, which is mainly about rockets, but it has some planes. So this F-18 is on planet Drew, and it's a fictional planet. And the beautiful about it that we can tweak some things. So the original speed at the equator for the surface of this planet is around 160 meters, but I changed that to over 2000 meters per second. Now this plane here is pointing west, as you can see, right? And the rotation speed is east. Now this here is the speed of the airplane, and as you see, it's 0 in relation to the ground and in relation to the atmosphere or the air. But I have an option here to switch from surface speed to orbital speed, and when I do that, the orbital speed is displayed 2862 meters, and as you see, there's a pointer here telling you what's the vector of that speed. So this airplane is, while it's standing still on ground, it's moving in space towards the east with that speed. Now let's try to take off and see what's gonna happen. Start the engines. And it's worth noticing here that the speed is decreasing. That's the orbital speed, it's decreasing. Now we're airborne. Tracked landing gear. Speed is still decreasing. Now let's check the surface speed. The surface speed is increasing. But let's look from space. How does this look like? Now at this point, after I uploaded this video, this what you've seen, I realized that the planet is too small and it's not displaying well. So I did this, and you can see it's very clear. The aircraft is moving west in relation to the planet, but in relation to space, it's going east. There's no problem with that. Now let's go north, and as you see, it's maintaining a ground track to be exact north. It's not clear in here, but it will show in a bit when it comes to the light, and you will see the orbital speed or the space speed is decreasing when I'm near the North Pole. You see it, I'm not sure if it's clear, but 750 and 700 and reducing. Now I'll try to do it from the poles towards the equator, and I'm trying to maintain the heading of the terminator line. But then I realized that the whole heading is changing because the planet is moving, but the plane is still pointing south, nearly south at this point. But you're going to see that it's maintaining the same ground track. Look at the ground feature and how the craft is crossing them. Because for this airplane moving in the air, it's no difference than you are walking on your feet. And you see here the orbital velocity 1098, and it will keep increasing as we go south. Now this I'm not taking this as a proof of anything. I'm just trying to explain what we've been trying to explain verbally. And regarding the lack of Coriolis effect in this demonstration, I'll not argue about it. I'm going to have a whole separate video about it, which has footages from other channels. So I hope it was good until now, and thank you for watching.